Okay, hi, mabuhay. Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and as always, I am Victoria. Today is going to be a very biased unboxing video because I got some item from La Maison Chandelles. I think I pronounced it correctly. So if you want to know what I actually got, stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started. Okay, disclaimer people, before I start unboxing this very exciting items that I got from La Maison Chandelles. I'm not so sure whether I pronounce it correctly, but I've been practicing, so I hope that it's actually pronounced it correctly because it's a French word. La Maison Chandelles is actually, if you translate it to English, it's the house of candles. But I didn't purchase candles. Store, a jewelry store based in Singapore, and it was started by my good friend Enoch. Yeah, so I'm excited. Let's start unboxing first. I already know what the items, because I ordered this with my own money. That's why I said it's going to be a biased unboxing video. But okay, this started off, his passion for this is actually started when he was still young, and it happens to that during his quarantine period he was clearing up things and he stumbled upon this box that he had like since he was a kid, and it was actually a box of like wax stamps, wax candles, wax, not candles, Victoria, candles. And yeah, he posted a picture on Facebook, I guess, or Instagram, and then I messaged him whether, are you selling this, because I want to support you and buy from you. And yeah, that's how it started, and he's growing his collection, which is like, I'm so proud of him. So let's start off, and I actually got this as a gift from him. So these are actually how do you call it, braided, I forgot, I'll put it here because he did post this on his page and I forgot how it's called. So it's like braided bracelets. So I have this and he gifted this to me, and this is so pretty because I do like wearing bracelets from time to time. So this is one of my free gifts, which is so cool and yeah, so nice. Then next is another free gift. I have gifts. This, when I got the items, it's not inside any box, so it's, I can easily see what it is. This is mismatching earrings. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but can you see this? It's so pretty, and this is actually made from like wax seals. Can you see that? And it has like this pretty like flower in it. I know it's not perfect, it's not supposed to be perfect, it's like I guess the imperfections of this type of handmade jewelry is the one that makes it like very unique, and it's nice. Can you see that? Okay, so enough with the free gifts, and let's start opening the first box, which is a small box, and it looks like this. And I knew what I ordered, but seeing it from pictures, because it's all handmade and he designed it particularly for me, he even named a collection after me, so which is cool. So you open this. Oh, it's two boxes. I thought it was just one box. Okay, let's open this up. Let's see. This is how it looks like. Very chic, very nice because it's black, and I've always been loving black colors. Oh my god, it's another set of earrings. Yes, I knew I got earrings, people. Don't be shocked. Like, why am I excited? I always get excited when I'm opening things up. It's another hook earrings. So does it mean I have to remove the earrings that I'm wearing now? Yes, Victoria, you have to. Can you see this? Okay, when I ordered things from him. He did ask me a few questions. Can you see his logo? It's like so pretty. Okay, oh my god, this is nice. Okay, so it's not heavy because it's actually made out from wax seal. I like the flower design. Oh my god, how I wish I put my hair up like properly maybe. Okay, next is, oh my goodness, I have another set of earrings. Oh my goodness, I love dangling earrings actually. So this is with a crown and it's black and silver, which I love because I love black, I love silver. That's why when he asked me, these are the colors that I asked him to. And it's a crown, it's like Queen Victoria. It's so pretty. Again, workmanship is like, woo, it's so nice. Can you see that? It's a perfect gift for anyone who likes like handmade jewelries. And I find it very unique because I guess this is the first time that I actually heard like jewelries made from wax seal. I like it. I like wearing dangling earrings when my hair is down, when my hair is up, because it just shows you how pretty the earrings are. Okay, I'll be wearing this. Next is, can we just say, like, the detail to the packaging is very simple, but then if you see, it actually has this personalized wax seal of his brand, La Maison Chandelles, which this is the first, like, if you notice, but this seal is different because it's actually the monogram of his brand, which is like, I find it so cool. Yeah, can you see, this actually came in a pouch. Let's open the pouch. Again, the pouch is black. When you order things, it's actually like packaged very nicely. Can you see? Okay, then this is a bracelet. So this has my initials. It's a wax seal. Again, it's a bracelet, which the color, because he will actually ask like your favorite colors, and he would ask like some questions so that he would be able to design things for you. If not, you can actually choose from the current designs that they actually have, which I find it like so sweet. And like, yeah, let's wear it now. So it's, you just have to, the clasp or the lock, you just have to put through the ring. And yeah, I forgot. Okay, that's it. It's gold and red. Again, red is my favorite color. So next, okay, so again, the item is inside the pouch. It's a necklace. I knew I got a necklace, Victoria, but then seeing it in person is actually, can you see this? It's like all the details in the packaging. It's like, can you just imagine the amount of time Eno actually invested in doing each pieces, and I feel that it's going to be like so worth it. I don't even want to tear the thing out. I'm carefully removing it, and this is how the necklace looks like. Again, it's in gold and red, and yeah, let's wear it, and you can adjust it accordingly. Oh my goodness, wait, I have to like, yes, then you can see the necklace, the earrings, the bracelet, really a brooch. And can you see the details in it? It has the feather, it has the silver and the crown, which, and the pearl. The pearl actually made it like how do you call it? Feminine. So which is so cool. Again, you know, the packaging of your items is like to die for. This is actually a collectible. I'm so happy that I actually own some of your pieces, and I'm so proud of him. I mean, and I'm not dropping things. Okay, last. Oh, okay, so it's either this or this, but this is, again, it's so me, just because it's black and silver, Again, it's a brooch. You can actually wear this with on your jacket if you have like cardigans that you actually want to wear. You can dress this up, like dress up your cardigans or your jackets, even your bag if you wanted to. So this is like as pretty as the other one, which is a brooch too, which, oh my goodness, this would definitely look good on my bag because it's like so pretty. And you see the details of the ribbon. He put this, and this is like an additional detail that you would actually love. And oh my goodness, this is like so pretty. How I wish I can use it now. But I'm wearing the wrong outfit, Victoria. You should have planned this carefully because I have a lot of like pieces that is so like it's just plain, just because I'm like that, because I don't like to think so much of, oh, how do I mix and match things. But if I want to dress things up, even as a t-shirt or just a normal top, you can actually put this in, and then it would just elevate your dressing, your outfit. Oh, I miss this, you know, because Ino and I used to work together in the retail industry. So those are the items that I actually purchased from La Maison Chandelles. Again, I'll link his Instagram shop at the description box. And I'm so happy for his new endeavor. He just radiates this positive energy wherein you can actually feel that creating these items and having his own shop, starting his own brand, you can actually feel the passion in him. And you know, if you're watching this video, I can't I did tell you this last Thursday when we met, that I'm so proud of you. I'm so happy that you're starting to show people that what talent you actually have. I've always believed in you, and don't worry, we will always be here. I will always be here to support you in whatever endeavors you have, because you're one of the nicest people that I know. All the best of luck. I'm so biased, but guys, if you want like handmade jewelries to give out to your friends, to your loved ones, or even to yourself, do check out La Maison Chandelles Instagram shop. I'll be leaving it in the comment section below. That's why I'm so proud of Ino for being able to create this wonderful pieces out of his passion. Ino, you deserve it so much. I truly believe in your talent, and I know you can go further. And yeah, for those who are thinking of either can I do this, just do it. Believe in yourself and pursue your passion if you do have one, and just start doing it. I know it's easier said than done, but just start. So I love all these pieces. I'm so grateful to be your friend, and you know what, I'm so happy that I have your pieces. I've told you this before. I'm so happy that I'm able to own your pieces, because I know you're going to be successful in this endeavor, and I can actually tell people that, oh, I'm one of the first supporter of La Maison Chandelles. This is one of his first ever like collection that he actually start when he was starting. So I'm going to treasure this, and I'm going to wear it as often as I could to show people off like this nice jewelry. And yeah, so let me know at the comment section, are you scared of starting something that it's always been a back of your mind? I'm the same person. I'm also that person. I have a lot of things in my head, whether I want to start it off, I'm not so sure how. But yeah, what's your passion? Like, what makes you happy? Okay, let's end this video now because I'm so excited to take photos now. Yeah, so if you like this type of videos wherein I do unboxing videos of like local brands that's in Singapore, let me know at the comment section below if you know any other local brands in Singapore, and I will be happy to support them. Let me know at the comment section below. I can check out their details and see whether how I can support local brands that is based in Singapore. So let me know. And yeah, I will put the Instagram details of La Maison Chandelles also at the comment description box, so you can check Ino's La Maison Chandelles jewelry collection. And yeah, this is a long video now, I think. So anyways, let's stop and start ending this video. So if you like this type of videos, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I try to upload videos at least once a week. So till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!